In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send an email on behalf of someone else in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is useful if you've been granted permission to send emails for another user or shared mailbox. Open the classic Outlook desktop app and click New Email to compose a new message. If you don't see the From field, click the Options tab and select From to display it. Click the From button, then choose the mailbox you want to send from. If it isn't listed, select Other email address, enter the email address and click OK. This only works if you've been given Send on Behalf permission by the mailbox owner or your Microsoft 365 administrator. Compose your email as usual by entering the recipient, subject and message. When you're ready, click Send. The recipient will see that the email was sent on behalf of the other person, making it clear who the message represents. That's how to send an email on behalf of someone else in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.